Makers RV here in Moncton, taking a look at a Cedar Creek. Oh, you know how I love Cedar Creeks. This is the Experience, brand new model, 3425 RL, and this is the COVID pricing fighter. This is about $30,000 less than a full Cedar Creek. And it still has the awesome 6-wall aluminum construction, hung wall construction, 2.5 inches of insulation. Ah, love it. Fiberglass front cap, lots of storage over here, and we got a spring-loaded step. Let's go in. Ah, nice and warm in here. All right, let's take a look. As always, super tall slides in the Cedar Creek. We got nighttime shades.
No carpet.
Those are power recliners. Take a look at that sofa in the rear. So that's an extra wide sofa. And of course, that does convert into a bed. We got a fireplace here that's throwing out some nice heat. TV comes with. Here's a solid surface countertop. Love the new colors and wood countertops here. Greystone stove, 3-burner. Insignia microwave. 2 stainless steel sinks. A residential style faucet. I definitely see a coffee maker right there. Lots and lots of storage. Take a look at this beautiful Everchill fridge. Freezer 1, freezer 2. All right, here's a look at the fridge. Lots and lots of storage here in the pantry. More down low. More up here. It does come with a low tire pressure monitor system. Let's keep going. Here's your controls. It does come with the solar panel. Beautiful LED light down low. Love that sink. Fan. Ceramic toilet. Here's a shower with the corner seat. Voila. And more storage over here. Pocket door. Let's keep going. Ah, king size bed. Gotta like that. We got windows on both sides for great cross ventilation. Another TV, another AC unit. So this has 2 ACs. Again, LED lights down low like that. And like most Cedar Creeks, there's a cubby here for your jewelry, whatnot. Hello. All right, let's open up closet out front behind that fiberglass cap outside. So yep, we are prepped for a washer dryer. Look how big this is. This is almost a walk-in closet. Let me walk in here and show you the King Cadet Wi-Fi booster. So if your Wi-Fi is a little on the weak side in your campsite, that will help you stream and download and whatnot. All right, folks. If you're in the market for a high-quality fifth wheel that doesn't break the bank, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I hope to see you soon.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.